Hello everybody, welcome to the WorldSage. In this video, I'm gonna show you what is Google Drive, how to use Google Drive, why you need Google Drive, what you can do with the Google Drive. Well, actually Google Drive, it's a cloud store app powered by Google. So it has a lot of features, like you can share your file with your friends anywhere in the world. Or if you want to share a file to America, you just have to send a link to them. Through only a link, right, they can access your entire file. You don't have to send them separately one by one video send and then another video and then another file. You don't have to do anything. Just upload all of your documents and whatever you want in the Google Drive and then get the shareable link. So share your file to the world wherever you want. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video. So let's jump into the video and let's see how to use them. Alright, now we're in our phone screen right now. Now we are going to download the Google Drive. To download the Google Drive, just simply head over to the Play Store here. Open it up. Now you can see the search bar on the top here. Click on search bar and search for Google Drive. Google Drive. Google Drive. Click on the first one here. Now there we go. Down there you can see the Google Drive icon and Google Drive logo here. Click on it. If you haven't downloaded yet, you can see the download button. After downloading, click on open. First you have to download your Google Drive. Otherwise you can just see the open icon here, open button here, open button. So click on the open button, open it up. Alright, there we go. This is our Google Drive interface. The first page, Google Drive interface. You can see this only simple, very simple interface here. When you're gonna click on the three line here, you can see there are some more option here, button here, span setting, and many more here. It's a very simple interface. You can see here a place for all your files. A place for all your files. Now simply you can see here there's an option here, plus new. You can see plus icon. Click on that one. When you're gonna click on that one, you can see here there are some more options here. Document, sheet, slide, and more. Folders, upload, scan. Uploaded, you can directly upload your file without having any folder. But folder is something you are just organizing your file. Folder means you can create a folder and then you can organize all of the file. For example, video folder is different and the photos folder is different, like that. So first, but it's better, to create a folder than upload whatever you want to upload, right? First, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna create a folder first. Let's create a folder. Let's name whatever name you like. I'm gonna name it like nice here. Okay, create. You can see the create down there, create button. Click on that one. Alright, there we go. You can see here our first folder on Google Drive, where I'm gonna upload one of my picture here, one of the picture. Okay, I'm not gonna upload any other a large document, any file. I'm just gonna show you how to upload something. You can upload whatever you want into the Google Drive and then you can get the shareable link. You can share it to the entire world without sending them one by one, sharing them. Well, as you know, when you share something on the WhatsApp, right? You share one by one, one photo by another one video by another video, right? It's so hard and it's so difficult. Also, you have to have a lot of data, right? Mobile data. So in this way, you can share the entire large file to the world. You don't have to share one by one. Okay, now we have the file here. Let's click on the file here. Okay, it's taking long. Okay. Alright, now there we go. The folder is empty, right? You can also create another folder inside of the folder if you want to organize something differently. It depends on you, right? What you're gonna do. It depends on you. Why you need this Google Drive, right? So it depends on you. If you want to create another folder, you can create. It's very easy. Alright, now I'm not gonna create any folder. I'm just gonna upload my first file here, one of my picture. Let's go. Click on the upload here. Alright, now you can see I have a screenshot here. Okay, now I'm gonna click on here. Alright, I have two videos. I don't have picture, I'm sorry. I have deleted my picture. Well, okay, I have two videos here. I'm gonna click one video and then upload it to my Google Drive. It's uploading. It's gonna take a long time. It's not gonna take a long time, it's gonna take a while, but yeah, it's depending on your internet or performance of your phone. Okay, now we are done. We have successfully uploaded our first file on our Google Drive app. Now, what else we can do? Now you can see the 3-dot icon here. Okay, on the right side, click on that one. And you can see there are some more options here. Some more options. I'm not gonna show. You can also download your file. For example, in case accidentally you have deleted your file from your gallery, from your internet storage, right? So you can also download your file to your internal storage, right? Sorry. Okay, now we are going to share our file to the world, right? Now how to share the file? You can see here, manage access. Manage access. Click on manage access. Okay, now you can see here general access. Restricted, right? Only people added can open with the link, right? Now click on that one, change. Click on restricted. Okay, now down there you can see anyone with the link. Anyone with the link can open, right? Anyone with the link. Click on that one. It's updating. Now permission updated. Permission updated. Now go back. Now you can share your file anywhere. Click on here. Oh sorry. Go back. Click on 3-dot again. Now you can see here copy link. Click on copy link. Done. Now you can share this this video to the world. Well, I'm not gonna share anywhere. I'm just gonna go ahead and then paste my link here, anywhere here. Okay, I'm just gonna show you the demo. This is the link here. This is the Google Drive file link. So you can share this file wherever you want, to your friends, to your family, America, Africa, anywhere in the world you can share this file. When you're gonna share this file, they're gonna get access your video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. See you in the next video. Bye bye guys.